Hey guys, welcome back to RJ Cooking. Today we're going to be making Easter pancakes because it's Easter. So you can use whatever pancake recipe you use. If you don't have one, you can follow mine. We use flour, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, and then 2 eggs because you need some protein. And if you hear footsteps in the background, it's just my mom walking around. And my mom's just walking around in the background. No need to worry. And you gotta mix it until there's no clumps. I clearly sped this up. Now you can pour the shapes that you need for your character. I'm making a bunny. You can make a chick, an egg, whatever you want. You can also dye your pancake batter, but that means that you have to get it just right. You can't burn it. And yeah. I'm gonna tell you some of my family pets names. So my cousins, they have a cat named Maggie, who actually likes me. Like, she likes nobody, and she likes me. And my cousin Mila, my cousin Olivia, and Rhoda, especially not my uncle. And then I have a dog, Callie, who looks like a wiener dog but isn't. Harper, who looks like a gazelle. And then my grandparents have a dog named Oscar. He's like 12. He's so cute. And yeah, that's basically it. Now, when you're done that, then you can piece together your like chick, bunny, whatever. And I'll slow down. We're gonna get a better angle like really soon. It doesn't have any. I did not think about that. Let's go. That's my dad in the background. And boom, better angle, like I said. So you can decorate your bunny, chick, egg however you would like. You can use fresh fruits, whipping cream, chocolate, bunch of stuff. I'm gonna be using whipped cream, chocolate chips, strawberries, and blueberries. Now, I'll get a cutting board real quick. Don't worry. See, and I don't know who handed it to me. Probably the Easter Bunny. And don't worry, it's gonna speed up. But speed. Look at how cool that is. Look at that strawberry. Okay, back to time lapse. Now, that was my stomach. Now, I don't really know if you don't celebrate Easter, whatever you celebrate, I hope you have a happy celebration. If I don't upload it on Easter, it's because my friends came over. Okay?
Got it.
Okay, good. Can I show you how good I am at goblin voice? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Goblin. Now we're gonna be decorating this, bunny. Yes, I think it's a bunny. I came from a different universe. I think it's bunny. Okay, he doesn't have any legs. Where they're out there. You can use strawberries. That makes sense. Sorry, I just lost my voice there for a second. Brother, okay, good. Put the other foot up. You did not gonna come and maul me. And where are the eyes? You need the eye. Okay, you have the eyes. You need the nose, the mouth. That's it. Where is the mouth? Where is it? I think it looks pretty cute. And I'm a goblin, so. Yeah. Okay, good. That's the mouth. Hey, why you take it off his mouth? Give him his mouth back. Now, I order you. Give the bunny his mouth. Hey, why'd you throw his mouth away? Hey, give him his mouth back.
Okay, Goblin, you'll have enough. I'm probably okay, now that the Goblin has wherever he went, now we can continue. So I'm gonna put some whipped cream and put some whipped cream, and we're gonna cover him because who doesn't like whipped cream? If you're lactose intolerant, I'm not sure if you can have this, but if you can't, you're missing out. Boop. And okay, good. I did the ears. And yeah. Oh yeah, can't forget about the
Chocolate chips.
goblet. Okay, now that I have banished him back to his realm, now we can continue on this. And have a good Easter, whatever you celebrate. Comment how good your Easter egg hunt was.
Zippy!